Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP customer exits. So customer exits could be considered as hooks to the SAP standard programs. We do not need an access key to write the code, and there is no need to modify the SAP standard program. These exits don't have any functionality and they are empty. Business logic could be added in order to meet various client requirements. However, customer exits are not available for all programs. Customer exits for standard transactions. So the steps to find customer exits as standard transactions are considered. So let us identify customer exits available in MM01 Material Master Creation. Step 1. Go to transaction MM01 and identify the program name of MM01 by going to menu bar System Status as shown in the screenshot. Step 2. Get the program name from the pop-up screen. The program name is SAP LM/GMM. Step 3. Go to transaction SC38. Enter the program name and click Display. Step 4. Navigate to go to Properties and find out the package of this program name. The package name is MGA. Step 5. Go to Transaction S mode, that is usually used to identify customer exits. Navigate to Utilities. Find You may directly press Ctrl+F on the transaction code S mode. And step 6. After going to the Find Exit screen, enter the package name we got earlier and press F8 execute button. The above step produces the output with the list of exits available in the Material Master Creation. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP customer exits. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.